It's a 2017 Honda Accord sedan. Honda made no compromises with this luxurious and practical Accord. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Car and Driver adds, the Accord hustles through turns with fog-free steering and little complaint from the tires and never seems to be working very hard. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.